Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cotton candy shapes. First, ensure you have fresh cotton candy, disposable gloves, and a clean, non-stick surface. Working quickly is key, as the warmth from your hands can cause the sugar to melt. Apply only light, even pressure to gently mold the cotton candy without crushing its delicate texture. This preserves the airy quality of your sweet creation. Let's start with some easy shapes. To make a ball, take a small portion and gently roll it between your gloved palms until it forms a sphere. For a cylinder, press and stretch the cotton candy into a log-like shape. You can also use simple cookie cutters. Just press the cotton candy into the cutter and carefully remove the excess for a clean edge. Ready for something a bit more intricate. To create shapes like hearts or stars, you can either carefully mold the cotton candy by hand or use more detailed cookie cutters. For a layered look, gently press different colored cotton candy together before shaping. Remember to work with small sections and use light, precise movements to achieve your desired form. Once your cotton candy shapes are complete, it's time to add some flair. Edible glitter or small sprinkles can give your creations an extra pop. For serving, gently place them on decorative sticks or package them in clear cellophane bags to maintain freshness. Remember, cotton candy is delicate, so handle your beautiful shapes with care for the best presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.